Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is simple and compound interest. So from that I am going to explain some important questions from 5.3 exercise. Listen well. Pratibha borrows 47,000 rupees from a finance company. So what is the borrowed amount? Borrowed amount of Pratibha P is equal to 47,000. And what is the rate of interest? 17%. And the time duration 5 years. Okay. Next, here, what is the formula to find the interest? I is equal to PTR by 100. P means 47,000 is nothing but principal amount 47,000 into T means time duration 5 and R is equal to rate of interest 17 by 100. Now 0 and 0 gets cancelled. What is the remaining? 470 into 85. Now multiply the 470 and also 85. You will get the answer 39,950. 39,950. So after 5 years she has to pay interest 39,950. Now the amount Pratibha should pay to the finance company after 5 years. After 5 years is, what is the formula to find total amount? A is equal to principal amount from plus interest. What is the principal amount? She borrowed 47,000 from that finance company. So 47,000 plus what is the interest here? 39,950. Now add the total. So principal amount is nothing but 47,000 and also interest is 39,950. So total amount 86,950 rupees. 86,950 rupees. So after 5 years, she has to pay 86,950 rupees to the finance company. But she is not paying the amount at a time. She is paying as monthly installment. Monthly repayments of Pratibha is equal to 86,950 by 5 years and 12 months. How much it is? 86,950 by 12 by the 60. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6, remaining 2, 26. 6 fours are 24, remaining 2, 29. 6 fours are 24, remaining 5, 55. 6 nines are 54. Point 1 remaining. 6 ones are. So she has to pay 1449.16. 1449.16 rupees. So 1,449 rupees and 16 paisa she has to pay as monthly repayments. See here, find the compound interest. This is nothing but 5.3 7th problem. Find the compound interest paid when sum of 10,000 is invested for 1 year and 3 months at 8.5% per annum compounded annually. Here solution. How much amount invested? 10,000 rupees. That is nothing but principal amount is 10,000 rupees. And what is the rate of interest? 8.5% is nothing but 17 by 2 percentage. And what is the time duration? 1 year, 3 months. But here interest is compounded annually. See, compound interest to 1 year on 10,000 rupees at the rate of 17 by 2 percentage. See here, I is equal to PTR by 100. P means 10,000 into T means 1 year. R means 17 by 2 by 100. 0 and 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. See, 2 5s and 0. 17 50s are 850. So here, what is the 1 year interest? 850 rupees on 10,000 rupees. See, next, compound interest to next 3 months. Next 3 months means after 1 year 3 months. After 1 year 3 months. Now principal amount after 1 year, first 10,000 and also plus interest is equal to 10,850. So 10,850 rupees is the principal amount to next 3 months. And also rate of interest 17 by 2 percentage. Time duration 3 months. Here months I am going to convert into years. Is nothing but 3 by 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 1 by 4 years. What is the formula? I is equal to PTR by 100 is equal. P means 10,850 into T means 1 by 4 into R means 7 by 2 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled is equal to 1085 into 17 by 10 4s are 40, 42s are 80. Now do the calculations. By doing the calculations you will get the answer 230.56 rupees. See, total compound interest. See, first 1 year how much? 850 rupees. To next 3 months how much? 230.56. It means 850 plus 230.56 is equal. Now add both. You will get 1,080.56 rupees. So what is the total compound interest to 1 year 3 months? 1,080.56 rupees. See, machinery worth is 10,000 rupees. So the cost of that machinery is nothing but 10,000 rupees. It was depreciated by 5% to next year. Now you have to find out what is the cost of that machinery to next year. It means after depreciation of 5%. See, present cost of that machinery is nothing but 10,000 rupees. It was depreciated 5% to next year. So you have to find what is the depreciated amount. Depreciated amount is equal to 10,000 into 5 by 100. 0 0 cancel. So it is depreciated by 500 rupees. Cost of that machinery to next year is equal to 10,000 minus 500 is equal to 9,500 rupees. So cost of that machinery to next year, it is nothing but 9,500 rupees.